Is your dryer not working like it used to? Have you cleaned your dryer recently? If so, keep watching this video. I'll go step by step on how to take care of that. Hi, my name is Greg and I'm a home inspector with Atlas Peak Inspections in the Ottawa area. And what I do is weekly home maintenance videos and DIY tips to help you take care of your home better. So to take care of your dryer, you just need a couple of things. Any vacuum will work, but if you have a shop vac, that's great. It works a little bit better. Next thing is a blower. If you have one of these, highly recommend using that. I'll show you how to later on. And then just a screwdriver. That's all you need to take care of this. Now, before we get started, what you should be doing every single time is taking out your lint trap, just like this, and taking it out every single time you use the dryer. Reason for it, this is very flammable stuff. It catches really quickly, so you want to take care of that. Now, for this larger sort of cleaning process, what we're going to do is take the vacuum and go in there and try and take out the rest of all the lint that didn't make it with the lint trap. Now, this is a little bit more extensive, but if you want to take out the whole lint trap compartment, you can do so using a drill. There's a whole bunch of screws to take out, but you can get yourself real deep inside and collect all that in there to get a thorough cleaning. So that's what we're going to do next. So before we move on into the next step, we want to just double check that we did everything well, especially if you did a thorough cleaning, removing the dryer lint compartment out and putting it back together. Just want to make sure that the dryer is going to be working at its capacity. So all we do is just turn it on and try it on. Make sure it's not making any weird sounds or anything like that. We got a couple dryer balls in there, so that's what that is all about. So we are good to go. Now, I did forget to mention before, whenever you're working on an appliance like this, it's always a good idea to unplug the cord from an electrical outlet, just to make sure, we're not working with anything electrical here, but it's always a good practice to do so. So that's what we're going to do now once we move on to the next step. So the next step is now to gain access to the back of the dryer and gain nice and close to the dryer vent exhaust pipe and being able to clean that out with the vacuum cleaner. So now we're going to do that, but just on the other side where the dryer vent exhaust pipe meets the pipe that is in your house. Now, everyone has a different circumstance. This is the way that it is at my house. And it also gives you a good time to clean just the area that's not usually reachable. So just vacuum up all the little lints that does collect in the back of your dryer. So here we go. So now that all that is nicely cleaned up, what we're going to do, the last thing inside the house, is take the blower that I mentioned before and put that in there and use that. So here we go. That just helps to just push everything that's stuck somewhere along the line of the dryer exhaust vent back out to where the vent is outside. So hopefully that worked for you. And now we're going to go check outside and see what we can do over there. Now, if you do have access to your dryer exhaust vent from the outside, I do highly recommend that you come out here and vacuum from here as well, just to pick up everything that we just blew with the blower. It just helps to clean the whole venting system that much better. So let's do that. So there you have it. That's how you clean and maintain your dryer. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Just make sure that you reconnect, of course, in the back, the dryer exhaust vent from the dryer to your pipe in the house to make sure it's all nice and snug. And we do this weekly sort of home maintenance videos. So please follow along if you're interested. Like this video if this was helpful, and we'll see you all next week. We're going to be taking care of cleaning the back of your refrigerator and freezer, the condenser coils, how to just vacuum, clean, and make sure they're running optimally. So see you then. Thanks.